Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. In today chemistry class we will see the numericals from the chapter solid state. As you know that we have completed chapter with theory and with full notes. Okay, now we will see some numericals, and as you know that we have done some numerical on the density and packing efficiency and calculation of number of atom in the different type of unit cells. Now we will see here some numericals which are mostly asked in examinations, board examinations. Okay, first numerical is analysis shows that nickel oxide has the formula Ni 0.98 O 1.00. What fractions of nickel exist as Ni2 plus and Ni4 plus 3 plus ions. Okay, analysis shows that nickel oxide has formula this is the formula of nickel oxide. Okay, and you have to find out the fraction of nickel as Ni2 plus and Ni3 plus. Okay, let's see how we will calculate this numeric. Let's see here, suppose answer 98 nickel associated with 100 oxygen atom are Ni2 plus which is equal to 2x, means Ni2 plus equal to x and Ni3 plus will be 98 minus x. Okay, 98 minus x. Okay, 98 minus x. And as you know that total charge of Ni2 plus x and ni 3 plus 98 minus x will be equal to 100 O2 minus 2 into 100. Okay, that's you can write this like total charge equal to here will be 2 into x 3 into 98 minus x equal to 200. Okay, it will be 2x plus 3 into 98, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27, 27 into 9, 209 minus 3x is equal to 200. Okay, here will be 2x and here will be 2x minus 3x plus 294 equal to 200. Okay, now you have to calculate. It will be minus x equal to 200 minus 294 equal to 94. Then x is equal to 94% and thus ni 2 plus equal to 94% and ni 3 plus equal to 98 minus 94 is equal to 4%. Okay, there is 4% Ni3 plus and 94%. Okay, now you can note down. First of all, you have to see that how many once again you can understand 90 as you know that the formula was what 0.98 and this one is a 1.00. Okay, suppose in percentage 98 and this one is the 100. It means 98 nickel atoms are associated with 100 oxygen. And suppose that ki Ni2 plus is equal to x, then Ni3 plus equal to what 98 minus x, and total charge on Ni2 plus and Ni3 plus is equal to total charge on oxygen. This shows the total charge of Ni into x, charge of Ni3 plus into x, this one equal to charge into 100. ठीक है, तो हमने इसको क्या किया 2x कर दिया, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, इसको 3x निकाल लिया, यहाँ से इसको कर लिया. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से हमने इसको सॉल्व किया, -x आया और इसको सॉल्व किया 94 आया. तो अगर हम Na2 प्लस को हमने x माना था तो इतना आया, और Na2 प्लस Na3 प्लस कितना हो जाएगा 98, 98 माइनस 94 इक्वल टू 4%. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ वी हैव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. It is also very typical question. Question is that if NiCl is doped in, if NaCl is question, NaCl is doped with 10 to power minus 3 mole percent strontium chloride CCl3 CCl2. Okay, what is the concentration of cation vacancy? What is the concentration of cation vacancy? Okay, इतना अगर ये निकल के साथ डोप हुआ है स्ट्रांसियम क्लोराइड तो 10 to power minus 3 मोल में कितना कंसंट्रेशन कैटायन का होगा? ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे कह सकते हैं परसेंटेज पूछा है. सपोज किया कि 100% NaCl, suppose 100 mole of NaCl is doped with 10 to power minus 3 mole strontium chloride. Okay, 10 to power minus 3 mole of strontium chloride. 1 mole will be doped. Now we will see here, since therefore 1 mole of NaCl will be doped with how much? 10 to power minus 3 upon 100 mole of strontium chloride. This will be 10 to power minus 5 mole of strontium chloride, SrCl2. Now you know that in impurity defect you have learned that when one strontium ion enter into the sodium chloride crystal, then it occupies one place of sodium chloride and one place remain vacant. Why? As you know that charge on strontium chloride is +2 and charge on sodium ion is +1. To neutralize the crystal, strontium ion occupy one space with 2 plus charge and remove 2 plus sodium ion. Okay, this way you can say that there are one vacancy per sodium per strontium ion. Each strontium ion introduce one vacancy, cationic vacancy. Each strontium ion introduce one vacancy. Okay, therefore concentration of cationic vacancy will be, therefore cationic vacancies will be what? How much will be cationic vacancy? That will be 10 to power minus 5 into 6.022 into 10 to power 23, that is 6.022 into 10 to power 18, 10 to power 18 per mole. 18 per mole. What happened here? What is the question? What will be answer? See here, NaCl is doped with the strontium chloride. और इम्प्योरिटी इफेक्ट मैंने पढ़ा था कि जब स्ट्रांसियम क्लोराइड इम्प्योरिटी के फॉर्म में इंटर करता है तो एक स्ट्रांसियम आयन दो सोडियम आयन को क्रिस्टल से बाहर कर देता है। और इसका कारण क्या होता है कि जब भी स्ट्रांसियम अंदर आता है तो उसके पास 2+ चार्ज होते हैं, तो सोडियम आयन के ऊपर +1 चार्ज होते हैं, तो उस 2 को न्यूट्रल करने के लिए वहाँ से 2 सोडियम आयन निकल जाते हैं। तो एक सोडियम आयन के स्पेस पे तो स्ट्रांसियम होता है और एक में वैकेंसी बची होती है। तो पहले तो क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग है कि 100 मोल अगर NaCl डोप हो रहा है 10 to power 3 मोल स्ट्रांसियम में, तो 1 मोल के लिए कितना स्ट्रांसियम चाहिए, कितना मोल चाहिए? 10 to power -5 आ गया। अब हम लोग जानते हैं कि 1 मोल में कितने एटम होते हैं? 6.022 into 10 to power 23, उतनी ही वैकेंसी हो जाएगी। उतनी क्या हो जाएगी? वैकेंसी हो जाएगी। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अब स्ट्रांसियम आयन इंट्रोड्यूस करता है, एक वैकेंसी क्रिएट होती है। एक स्ट्रांसियम आयन पे एक वैकेंसी होती है क्रिएट कैटायन की। तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि टोटल वैकेंसी कितनी हो जाएगी? कितने मोल में? 1 मोल में अगर एक वैकेंसी है, कितने मोल में कितनी वैकेंसी होगी? एवोगाड्रो नंबर के बराबर। तो एवोगाड्रो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा। तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन जो है कि पूछे हुए हैं, ध्यान से इसको करना है। इसके बाद कुछ और क्वेश्चन हम देख लेते हैं न्यूमेरिकल, जो कि फार्मूला बेस है। अगला क्वेश्चन हमारा जो है क्या है? व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड? व्हाट is the formula of compound in which element P forms SCP lattice, forms SCP lattice। SCP lattice and atom cube occupy 2/3 2/3 octahedral wire. ओके, फार्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड बताना है। ये जो न्यूमेरिकल है बहुत ही इजी न्यूमेरिकल है, इससे इजी न्यूमेरिकल इसके अंदर नहीं मिलेंगे, इससे इजी न्यूमेरिकल इसके अंदर नहीं मिलेंगे। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि P फॉर्म्स SCP। P फॉर्म्स SCP का मतलब क्या होगा? जो हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है वो P से बना हुआ है, यानी उसके जितने कॉर्नर हैं उस कॉर्नर पे P एटम है। और हम लोग जानते हैं कि P अगर कोई कॉर्नर पे एटम है तो उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना होता है। ठीक है, लेट द नंबर ऑफ आंसर, लेट the number of P atom in SCP equal to n. Okay, and the number of octahedral wire is also 1. Number of octahedral wire equal to n. Okay, now number of Q atom, here you have to write the number of tetrahedral wire is equal to 2n, and here 2/3 octahedral wire is occupied. So here is no need of tetrahedral wire. Okay, 2/3 number of Q atom, this will be 2/3n. Thus the ratio of Q is to P is equal to what? 2/3 n is to n, and this will be 2:3. Thus the formula will be what? Thus the formula of compound will be here ratio will be P is to Q according to alphabet. If you take according to alphabet, here will be 1:2/3, and ratio will be 3:2. Formula will be P3Q2. This is the formula. Now one more question we will see here on this. What is the formula of compound? What is the formula of compound? Formula of compound in which element Y, element Y forms CCP, lattice and X occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral wire. 2/3 of tetrahedral wire. Tetrahedral wire. Okay. Then, as you know that in case of you can see Y forms CCP, means let the number of Y atom equal to, suppose, X, small x, and number of octahedral void equal to n. Equal to what? N. Okay. Number of tetrahedral wire, tetrahedral wire will be 2n. Number of X atom will be 2 into 2/3n, and this will be 4/3n. Okay. Now I will erase this. Okay. And numerical will be. Now we will see here the ratio. X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y equal to what? X is equal to Y is equal to 4/3 is to 1. Okay. This will be 4:3. X formula will be formula X4 Y3. Okay. This way we saw the all type of questions. Now you have to complete your notes. If you have any doubt in any question, you may ask. Okay. And next chapter is solution. Next chapter we will start from tomorrow, solution. and very interesting chapter is this also, because it is also related to our life, and so many things are similar to gas law. Okay, so it is very interesting and it is also numerical based chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.